The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flood watch for portions of southern Indiana and central Kentucky. From late Saturday night through Monday morning, rounds of rain on Friday and Saturday will help to set soil before heavier rainfall moves into the area late Saturday night into Sunday. Rainfall with locally higher amounts will be possible across the watch area. Heavy rainfall may cause excess runoff and localized flooding issues in the watch area. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio and your local media for the latest information. 3 p.m.